Welcome back. The setup has changed again. Excuse me. Things are different. I got a few items that we're gonna unmold. I tested out my curing machine again. So we're gonna see what it has done for me or to me. See, it has bubbles. There's bubbles. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it really, but there's bubbles. Oh, this one looks better. This one's shiny. Yeah, this one looks a little bit more dull. This is shiny, pretty, nice. Still bubbles. But I know why that is. I know what that is. And I'm gonna work on a solution for that since I know why that is. Because you can't fix the problem if you don't know it exists, right? So I'll put these here. I hope I don't forget about them. Uh-oh. And obviously I was in a flaky mood. Everything has flakes. Okay, I think I need to replace this because it has like this frosted look to it. I don't know what that's about. They weren't doing that before. The last one did that and it worked because, you know, it was like a translucent thing, and so was this. This is really bubbly though. Look at the back. Can you see it? How y'all do it? Can you? I don't know. I don't like this. Like the inside part is smooth, but around the back, I'm gonna say haste make waste. I think the molds are also contributing to my disappointment because this is the same exact batch in a different mold. Ooh, and look how clear and what you call it this is. Like, this is how it's supposed to look. Granted, still a fuck ton of bubbles. Okay, this is not, see, it works for these because it has glitter in it, like the flakes, so it looks like it might be glitter. But you see how clear this is? That's how that's supposed to be. So something's up with that mold. Because when I say literally same exact poured one, filled it, poured into the next one. Like, it wasn't. And they're the only two from that mix. Like, they're all from the same batch of resin, but obviously I added purple to some and yellow to some. But oy, quick and easy. My favorite things to unmold are these. Yeah, it's definitely a little bubbly. Just a bit bubbly, eh? I don't know if you can see it there. But also, I know that I'm the only one that's noticing this because for the most part, it's not bubbly. But it's because I use the machine. I'll just have to be patient because while this is cured, done hard, I have a few more items that I made from that same batch of resin that are still soft. Is this soft? Okay, that's not gonna talk too soon. I'll sit it down so that it finishes if it's not done, because I didn't put it in for the full time. I think I did it for like an hour. We're supposed to be 3 hours, but anyways, so we got a whole bunch of flaky motherfuckers. We got these guys. The gang's all here. The gang's all here. I love how clear this came out. Like, this came out so good. This one and this one, yeah. The incense holder too, but these two, them have me. But anyways, thank you so much for sitting through this. Titties in my chest. Okay, new bra this. Sorry. Anyways, bra strap, no things. I don't even know if that was showing the whole time. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check out podcasts on all platforms where podcasts can be streamed. Listen to that. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Follow me TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all the things. And just like everything else we do at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. I have another workshop coming up March 21st, Blooming Petals at Trade and Tempo. It is a spiritual wellness type of shindig. There will be aura photography, there will be tarot readers, there's going to be vendors, whole bunch of fun things, you know, to bring in the spring season, the real new year. And I'll be teaching a resin workshop involving petals, flowers. So it's either going to be flower shaped coasters or regular coasters with flowers in them, like dried flowers, pressed flowers. Yeah. Anyways, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.